everyone, this is a call for all the engineering aspirants out there. In the month of July 2021, Amrita School of Engineering came up with a 5-day program called as Engineering Foundation Course to facilitate the transition from plus 2 to engineering stream as seamless as possible for the students. As a part of the foundation program, here we are with a series of tech talks to educate you about all of the advancements, the booming sectors, the possibilities and the job opportunities that may arise in the technology improves.
I am here today to talk about the Tech Talks. The Tech Talks being arranged by the Office of Admissions at Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham and supported by Amrita School of Engineering Chennai campus. So why are we doing these Tech Talks? At this moment, especially during the pandemic period, where there are no classes going on in schools, physical classes going on in the schools, and we are expecting again a third wave. So which means that again the students will be forced to stay back at homes. But at the same time, without doing any kind of compromise on the quality of education, Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham is now hosting two unique programs. One is Tech Talks and other one is the Engineering Foundation program. We have already completed one batch of Engineering Foundation program and we will continue doing it in the next 3 or 4 months. So why Tech Talks at the moment? The reason why we have Tech Talks is the students are expected to understand how the science is connected with technology and what is the real application of technology, how the technology is impacting or affecting the everyday life of a common man, and how the applications are designed, where is the technology used. For these concepts, for this understanding, Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham Chennai campus will host a unique program called as Tech Talks. So listen to the talks from the expert faculty hosted by Amrita School of Engineering Chennai campus. So watch these talks, register at amrita.edu/btech webpage and watch the show.
The extent of innovations that have happened in the last 2 years is significantly higher than it used to be in the past. We are used to hearing all these buzzwords, the disruptive technologies, robotics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and all this. And these are technologies that are really influencing the entire spectrum, right from our daily lives to manufacturing industries to strategic sectors. As young professionals, you will soon realize that by the time you are at the zenith of your career, you will already be into 5.0 and Industry 6.0 perhaps, which means that we'll go beyond artificial intelligence, we'll go beyond augmented reality, we will get more into machine-machine interface, we will get into more machine-machine communications and very exciting things happening in that space. So are we all prepared for that? Are we all prepared for embracing technologies that are yet to be discovered and invented, and probably some of them to be developed by young professionals like you? That's the whole question. And that's where we thought we'll present to all of you an inkling of some of the exciting technologies that's emerging and of very high interest to industry and to the professional society. I'm sure through these lectures, you'll be introduced to some of the high excitements in engineering and technology, the opportunities that it beholds in the coming decades.
So, if you are an engineering aspirant and you're eager to learn and know about these booming sectors and technological advancements, join us live from 9th August to 13th August from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. where our eminent faculties will handhold you in topics such as the future of mobility and manufacturing industry 4.0, future with 5G and IoT, The fundamental tenets that pivot engineering education and lives, face recognition using machine learning with Python, and cybersecurity challenges and opportunities.
You might be somebody who is passionate about, say, racing cars, aeroplanes, robots, or maybe how to create a new circuit. But then your colleagues or your friends are saying that the latest trend or the hottest technology course is something else. So you are confused. Should I follow my heart, my passion, or should I go with the trend? Well, we are here to help you answer your question. So join us, me and Professor Jayakumar, who is the chairperson of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Amrita School of Engineering, Chennai.
I feel very happy and privileged to deliver the session in the student retention program. Actually, my topic is future with 5G and IoT. Why the students have to attend such program? So at the end of the session, students will be able to understand that how this 5G and IoT is going to rule the world. And also I will update some of the technological advancement happened in the recent time. So I am eagerly waiting to meet you all in the program. Thank you.
Education is not complete without excellence in communication. So to hone your language and communication skills, we, the Department of Humanities, are all there to help you. There are two ways by which knowledge can be, by which from an able guru and through self-study. The second is in your hands, and the first, well, the onus is on us. So to know all about your faculty and about the Science and Humanities Department, join me on 11th August.
Artificial intelligence, it comprises many emerging technologies like machine learning, deep learning and big data. Using Python, we can implement all the above technologies. Let me brief you about this. With the advent of artificial intelligence, preventive and predictive is possible. Let us take a face recognition using machine learning. This is not a new technology. This is already implemented in many international airports in immigration check. With the advent of all the above technologies, we can save time, efficiency, accuracy and reliability. Most importantly, we can set alarm for the blocklisted images. Machine detect the faces and it check with already existing data and store the result in the same database so that we can retrieve the information in the future. I am happy to take a session in face recognition using machine learning.
With over 20 years of experience in teaching, I'd like to introduce the various activities that our department carry out. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering offers 3 undergraduate programs and PhD program. The 3 undergraduate programs are BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence, and BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Cybersecurity. I'll be explaining about the various activities carried out by our faculties in terms of research, collaborations with industry and foreign experts. Also, I'll be explaining about the various student activities, their innovative projects, and the prizes that they have won in national as well as international level.
I will be handling a session on cybersecurity, its challenges and opportunities on 13th August. The session will be covering mainly the future of cybersecurity, what is the role of you as a cybersecurity expert, so what you will learn during the specializations in cybersecurity, who can excel in this field, and what all are the roles, like what are all the opportunities that the world is opening in front of you once you are a cyber specialist. So I would wait to see you all in the session. Thank you.
I take pleasure in welcoming the young minds, aspiring young minds to this Tech Talk series, and you will definitely witness what technology beholds in these very interesting areas in the coming years. We'd like all of you not just be users of this technology, but more importantly, be taking active role in developing new technologies, probably even discovering and inventing new technologies, and applying it for some of the best applications for development of humanity in large. Thank you and wish you all the very best.